Hi everyone, welcome to my first day of 100 days of vlogging. So, my name is Cristel and dahil gusto sumama ng aso ko, this one is Trixie and the other one is Sky and we got the third one, Willow, over there. So, just a bit of a background. So, I live here in Sydney, Australia, and habang nagva-vlog ako, I want you to join me on my typical night. So, ngayong gabi, napatulog na natin ang ating Junakis na si Amara. And now, we have to attend the kitchen or yung mga kailangan nating ligpitin dito sa bahay. So, sorry, medyo may tinga kasi kumakain ako ng macarons kanina. Ay, mali. Natatawa ako kasi sineset up ko tong DJI itong may stand ko ng DJI and hindi ko alam baliktarin yung camera and hindi ko sure kung nababaligtad yung camera while recording a video. Anyway, so this is the mess that we have at the moment dito sa ating kusina. So, tara, simulan muna natin sa paghuhugas ng mga hugasin natin dito sa lababo. So, konti lang naman yung iniwang hugasin ng mister ko sa akin. I'm very lucky dahil masipag yung asawa ko sa mga gawaing bahay. Talagang lagi niya akong tinutulungan as much as he can. And with that, sobrang swerte ko. So, sa mga mister na nanonood din dyan, guys, tulungan niyo rin naman yung asawa ninyo. Huwag naman kayong feeling doon. Nasa year 2025 na tayo. And so, guys, it's modern days. So, kailangan mo na din magpaka-modern. It's not like the old days na, you know, mga babae lang lagi yung gumagawa ng gawaing bahay. Hindi ganun, guys. Kailangan pati kayo tumutulong na rin. Anyway, let's check. Ay, sinilip ko yung dishwasher namin and sad to say, may mga laman na mga maduduming hugasin. So ngayon, naka-escape ako sa paghuhugas manually. Sasalang na lang natin dito lahat sa dishwasher dahil may mga kasama naman pala. So, hali kayo at isa lang natin sa ating dishwasher itong mga maduduming hugasin. Anyway, as I was saying, yun nga guys, modern days na. So, maging modern men na rin kayo at tumulong kayo sa gawaing bahay. Even if kayo lang yung nag-work, mahirap maging housewife. Dahil sa totoo lang, ako personally, I feel like mas rested pa nga ako pag nasa work ako kaysa pag nasa bahay. Kasi pag nasa bahay ka, very physical ng work, no? You have to do this, you have to stand, constantly be up on your feet, and you have to, you know, be attending to your baby, attending to the dogs. If you see a kalat here, you have to clean it straight away. If you see a kalat there, wala kang peace of mind, but you have to do those things. Unlike pag sa office, basically everything is okay na and you're just sitting on your desk doing what you gotta do. But at home, oh my gosh, I feel like I need to get paid more here than what I do on my 9 to 5 job kasi mas nakakapagod tong work na to. But of course, we do this kind of job out of love, not for money, but for love. So, yun. Teka, hindi pa tayo tapos na tayo magsalang ng mga hugasin. Ngayon naman ay ang hugasin ni Amara. So, ito lang yung mga baon ni Amara na bottles and training cup niya for the milk and sippy cup for the water. So, this one, mamaya ko na ito huhugasan kasi dede pa ulit si Amara. And there's still another dede or bottle sa kwarto namin. So, mamaya na pagsasabay-sabay na natin para isang salangan na lang din sa ating sterilizer. Anyway, ito ay ating coffee bean. Okay, balik natin sa tamang lagayan. In-empty na ni Habi kanina. And so, ngayon, ibabalik na natin dito sa ating tamang lagayan. So, this is our little coffee station. So, kare-refill lang ni Babe ng coffee beans dito sa container. This one is airtight to keep the freshness. And may kettle din kami dito kasi my husband just drinks really black coffee. And instead of getting the hot water from the coffee machine, he just takes it from the kettle because it's way faster. And kanina, may gumawa ng kape and hindi in-empty. See? May laman pa. So ngayon, dito natin itataktak yan. Yan. And then this one, we don't really wash it on a daily basis. So this one, I just put it back down there and leave it for the next use tomorrow. And yeah, so that's our coffee station. Next to it naman ay ang ating soda stream. So yeah, that makes the normal water a carbonated water. We bought this for the reason of us trying to lessen our sugar intake with soft drinks. So we just drink carbonated drinks, and this one is much more cost efficient as well. So yeah, we got this one on special from Costco. Next to our coffee station naman, as you can see, is Amara's milk station. So here we have the milk warmer. And then this one is our very reliable UV sterilizer that can contain, oh my gosh guys, so much bottles and so much accessories. For us, this one is the best investment for Amara kasi talagang hugasan mo na lang ng soapy water, of course, yung mga bottles mo and pacifiers and whatnot. And then after that, you don't need to dry it or anything. Hindi mo na rin kailangan pakuluan. Salang mo na lang dito. Pagkasalang mo dito, paglabas tuyo na and ready for use. So, that's that. We also have some formula here just in case maubusan si Amara ng fresh milk. So at the moment, Amara's already taking fresh dairy milk, which I'll show you. So, yan. Yan, itong milk na yung iniinom ni Amara. So, but for times na we have to be out and about for quite a long period of time, we take some formula for her. And on this side naman, excuse me muna mga kalat na yung mga kalat tayo. Next time na natin i-atin is Amara's drawers. So, mga bottles and this is basically Amara's stuffs, yung mga laman nito. So, in this first section, we have here the water bottles and the milk bottles of Amara and pacifiers or dami. Container lang yan, guys. So, the dami is nasa sterilizer. This one are more sippy cups and bottles. So, this one, ito yung pinagbabaunan namin ng mga hot water or boiled water ni Amara for the formula. And this one naman is mga kung anik-anik lang na mga kailangan just in case, like our Jisoo Life fan. So, meron tayong dalawang ganyan. Dito rin yung pang sip-sip ng sipon ni Amara. Mga shades ni Amara. Formula container. Power bank. Sombrero. And nail filer. And marami pang iba. And yeah, so that's it. So this is the first vlog of my 100 days of vlog. So this one, I thought of challenging myself if I can be consistent in it. So we'll see where this would take us. And sana naman, bukas nandito ulit kayo. So I'll see you again tomorrow, guys. Bye!